So let's see today's delicious and quick and easy chicken rice made in a pressure cooker. Now here I've taken 250 grams of boneless chicken breast and cut it up into small cubes. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, and I'm going to add salt to taste, roughly about 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to mix everything really well together and just set it aside for marination for about 15 minutes. This is an ideal weekend lunch idea. Now we're going to make the masala paste. So I've taken 3 green chillies. Then I've added about 7 dried red chillies. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, or otherwise 4 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger made to a paste. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder or dhania powder. 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves. 2 tablespoons of water, and we're going to grind this to a nice paste. This is going to be our masala paste for the rice. So this is the paste. I'm just transferred it to a small bowl. So now I've taken my pressure pan and I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of ghee. Then I'm going to add about 6 cloves or lavang, half an inch of cinnamon or dalchini, 10 peppercorns or miri, and 1 cardamon or elaichi, and 1 bay leaf. Next, I'm going to add 4 onions that I've sliced really fine, lengthwise, and I'm going to fry the onions really well till they turn nice and dark golden brown in color. So this should take you approximately about 7 minutes. They should look like this. Now I'm going to add 2 tomatoes that I've just chopped roughly. Mix all of this really well together. Let the tomatoes become nice and mushy. Now I'm going to add this masala paste that we just ground in the mixer jar. Just add that. Mix everything really nicely together. Next we're going to add the chicken that we marinated for about 10 to 15 minutes with turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Mix the masala in well with the chicken. Now I'm just going to add about 1 cup of chopped up fresh coriander leaves. Mix all that together. And I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm using the packet milk. You can also use fresh coconut and make 1 cup of coconut milk. Just mix everything together. You can add a little more salt if you want, about say half a teaspoon. And now just cover it and cook it for about 5 minutes till the chicken is a little bit cooked. And now we're going to add 1 cup of rice that I washed and soaked for about 10 to 15 minutes, drained all the water. I'm going to add the rice. And now we're just going to close the pressure pan and let it cook for 1 whistle on high and simmer for 10 minutes on a low flame, and then just let the cooker come to room temperature, and that's your chicken rice all ready. It's super delicious and really quick and easy to prepare. You can have this with some lovely chilled yogurt and some chopped onions and lemon at the side. So do give this recipe a try, guys. It's really a must try from me. So I hope you like this recipe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Akshita signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.